Everyone, welcome back with me, Nidia Trina, English Education Batch 2022. In this video, I will explain to you about adjective clause. First, the definition. Adjective clause is a type of dependent clause that functions as an adjective within a sentence. Its primary purpose is to provide essential information about a noun or pronoun by specifying or identifying which one we are talking about. Adjective clause are used to restrict or define the noun they modify, making it clear which specific things or person the sentence is referring to. Adjective clause are often introduced by relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, or that, or relative adverb like where and when. Next, relative pronouns and relative adverb. Relative pronoun and relative adverb are words used to introduce and connect adjective clause, also known as relative clause, to the nouns they modify. They play a crucial role in linking the clause to the main sentence and specifying the relationship between the noun and the information provided by the clause. Here's an example. Here, an explanation of common relative pronouns and relative adverb. And this is the relative pronouns, such as who used to refer to people. For example, the woman who is speaking is my teacher. And the second, whom also used to refer to people, particularly in formal context, as the object of the verb or preposition. For example, the person whom I met at the party is a famous author. And the third, whose indicates possession and is used to describe the relationship between the noun and the object is processed. For example, the man whose car was stolen is upset. And next, which used to refers to things or animals. For example, the book which I book is interesting. And the last, that can refer to both people and things and is commonly used in restrictive or defining used in restrictive defining clause. For example, the car that I drive is blue. And the next, relative adverb. First, where. Where indicate the place or location where the action or description take place. For example, I visit the city where I was born. And then when. When indicate the time or occasion when the action or description occurs. For example, this is the day when I start my new job. And then why. Why explain the reason or cause behind the action or description. For example, I understand why you made that decision. Well, that's all our explanation about adjective clause. Thank you for listening. See you and goodbye.